Hello, hello. I hope everybody's having a phenomenal day. I just wanted to hop on here and do a quick introduction video for you guys. For those who just recently joined or are in the first group of people getting in here, I'm sure that the majority of you at this point have noticed a pattern/trend in the setups that both me, Tareeq, and Dal have been sharing recently or in months prior, and I wanted to make a space that really highlights and puts an emphasis on those setups. Sure, we use different vernacular, us three traders. Some people may call them reclaim setups, some people may call them breakout setups, cluster reclaims. However you choose to denote it, the majority of the time, we're all looking at the same setups. So I thought it would be very advantageous for both us as traders and as employees, and you guys as members and as consumers, to have a section that really focuses and puts an emphasis on this strategy by itself. And we will be able to refer consistently back to education and educational material that will be provided to you guys in the following videos. And I just want to encourage you guys to ask questions, to stay engaged, stay locked in, and me, Tareeq, and Dal will be in this subsection frequently. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask and we'll answer them in the best way that we know how. I hope that everybody is excited and eager to learn, and I look forward to meeting each and every one of you in the workshops that will be scheduled out for you guys. So I hope everybody has a phenomenal day, and I hope everybody has a phenomenal time watching these next few videos. So let's make some money.